I'm Dr. John Ross, founder and president of Maintenance Innovators Incorporated, and inviting you to come join me for a course that I've titled Work Management for Maintenance and Reliability. I'll be teaching this for the University of Wisconsin as part of their interdisciplinary professional program in their College of Engineering. 16 years ago, when I started my consulting business, I had my very first assignment. I was working with a senior consultant, and he drew something up for a client that just absolutely amazed me. I said, I've got to learn how to do that. I've got to learn about that. He was following the fifth pillar according to the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals. Of course, I had no idea what that was, but I've spent 16 years putting this course together, and I have taught it all over the world. We're going to go step by step through work management. I'm going to show you some tools, and I'm going to show you the approach to some of the world-class principles that you'll find applicable and very relevant to what you do. Come out and join me.